rust is formed? I have an idea! Let's do some balancing equation to explain this common phenomenon. First, if the reaction is given in a word equation, convert it into formula equation. The formula equation is Fe solid plus O2 gas yields to Fe2O3 solid. Next, count the numbers of atoms of each element on the reactant and the product side. The elements in the reaction are iron and oxygen. The number of atoms for iron in the reactant side is 1, while on the product side, the number of atoms of iron is 2. For oxygen, the number of atoms on the reactant side is equal to 2, while on the product side, the number of atoms of oxygen is equal to 3. Notice that the number of atoms for iron and oxygen on both sides of the equation are not balanced.
Third, if the number of atoms of each element on both sides are not equal, balance them by placing a coefficient that will make the numbers equal. The process is called trial and error method. The coefficient should be placed only in front of the chemical symbol or chemical formula. Subscript of each element should not be replaced or changed. To balance the equation, Fe solid plus O2 gas yields to Fe2O3 solid. We will place a coefficient of 4 in front of the symbol of iron and coefficient of 3 before the chemical symbol of oxygen in the reactant side, and coefficient of 2 in front of the chemical formula of iron 3 oxide in the product side.
Now, after writing the coefficient, let us check the number of atoms for iron and oxygen. On both sides of the equation, the number of atoms for iron is 4. For oxygen, the number of atoms on the reactant and the product side is 6. Now, the equation is balanced. In writing chemical equation, all the elements present in the reactants are also present in the products. This follows the law of conservation of matter, which states that matter is neither created nor destroyed, but only transferred into another form. This means that although substances turn into another substances in the reaction, the actual number of atoms in the reactants and the products remains the same. So that's how rust formation occurs. I am Maria Francesca Paros, your Bukalayan Siyensikulista.